Hi, my name is Lisa B, and I want to show you how you can become your own boss and work from home. Do business the way that you want to do business. If you're working for somewhere now that they keep 40, 50, 60, 70% of everything you bring in your GCI, you really need to talk to me and you really need to take a look at the EXP model. The EXP model, you get to keep 100% of everything you bring in over $100,000. So if you're now paying 40, 50, 60%, you are going to earn a lot more under the EXP system. There is a membership fee of a couple of $100 a month that pays for your support, your systems, your training, your setup, all of that sort of thing. And you'll also get the foundations to build an empire. And there's multiple streams of income that you can actually have within EXP as well, and building your own business. So, and also don't worry, you don't have to do trust accounting either. So if you're looking for the edge, a company that's forward thinking, that's got technology that's going to help you to win business, this is it. Let me show you how you can list and sell as much as you want while you're building assets, because that's important, because once you stop listing and selling, you're not going to have an income anymore. So let us think about a way that you can strategize your future, strategize your retirement, and build your assets. So let's organize a Zoom call and let's see your personal situation and how EXP can help you and how I can help you.